When it comes to making the perfect Easter treat, I am all about these mini egg cookies. They are perfectly crisp on the outside with a soft, chewy, and tender filling. They are full of chocolate and the mini eggs that I absolutely look forward to every single year. I'm gonna say right now the hardest part of this recipe is chopping these eggs, but once you get them all done, everything else is easy as pie. I suppose I should say easy as cookies, but you know what I mean. This cookie dough recipe starts like so many others you may have made in the past. Start by creaming together butter and sugar until the mixture is nice and fluffy. Then you're going to add in 2 eggs along with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, scraping down the side of the mixing bowl base, making sure that everything gets combined. Obviously, I'm using a stand mixer here, but you can also use a large bowl with a hand electric mixer if that's what you happen to have on hand. Next, you're going to sift together the dry ingredients and add them in, mixing on low until just incorporated. Now we get to add in the chopped mini eggs as well as some chocolate chips. One of the biggest elements of this recipe is to make sure that you are not over mixing at any point in the process. This goes for when you add the egg and vanilla, as well as adding the dry ingredients as you see here, and the chopped ingredients once you get to that point. The key is to make sure that you stop right when it just incorporates so that you don't overmix the dough and make it no longer chewy and soft. Once your cookie dough comes together, let's talk about shaping those cookies. I prefer to use a cookie scoop because it's a lot less mess and it helps the cookies to have a nice shape. Of course, you can also use your hands to shape the dough into balls if you prefer. Place those cookie dough balls on a lined baking sheet to chill. I chill them in the freezer for about 30 minutes, but you can also refrigerate them in the fridge for an hour. Chilling the dough is key to making sure those cookies turn out nice and chewy. After they're chilled, all you have to do is bake. Remove them from the oven at the 9-minute mark and press in mini egg cookies on top for decoration. You can skip this step, but I think it adds a little something to the cookies. Bake the cookies for another 4 to 6 minutes until the edges are just starting to turn brown and the middle has just set, but only until it's just begun to set. You don't want to overbake them or you'll lose that delicious chewy texture. Remember, they will continue to bake after they come out of the oven. You might wonder what the heck I'm doing here. Well, this is the key to having perfectly round cookies. All you have to do is flip a glass over once they come out of the oven and swirl the cookies around so they can round out the edges. And now that you know how to make the best mini egg cookies, it's time to get baking. Share your results with us by posting a photo of your cookies on social media and tagging us at Cake and Knife. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more seasonal recipes to celebrate life's everyday moments. Until next time.